Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool right here, and basically what this is a smart light bulb, and it's from the brand called Nitebird. So the cool thing about this specific light bulb that we have right here is the fact that it gives you guys the option to change the different colors on here, and also allows you guys to increase or lower the brightness, and it also has a lot of other functionality that's on here as well. So you see inside right here, they provide you guys all the different specs that's on here. So they mentioned how it has a voice control option, a remote control, which is on the app. It has a scene setup option, it has a music rhythm option. So basically when you guys use the music rhythm option, the light will actually follow the beat of the music when you guys are playing your song. In terms of the voice control on here, it does allow you guys to connect it onto Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to use the voice control option. But this is basically what the packaging looks like on the outside. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So they basically provide you guys for these light bulbs right here. And for all four of these light bulbs right here, they do give you guys the option to use the RGB option as well. So if you guys want to change the different colors on here, you definitely can. And inside right here, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set product and how to use it. But that is basically everything that's included inside the package right here. So when we take out the light bulb, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So this is where the light will come out from. And then this is where to plug it into the socket to actually generate power. And right here, they do have the brand logo right here. So if it's first time using the product, you definitely want to connect it onto the app in order for you guys to use it. So for this product, you can see they provide you guys for these light bulbs right here. But they do have a lot of other ones available. So whether you want to buy like a 1-pack, 2-pack, 4-pack, or 6-pack, they actually have it in many different sets. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one's best for you guys. But this is the one that we got right here. And I also do have a single pack right here, which is the same light bulb right here. So if you guys don't want that many and maybe just want one, you can definitely purchase this one right here as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how to use the light bulb and how to set it up. And we'll also show you guys how to use it on the app as well. So let's go do that first, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we have a floor lamp with the light bulb option right here. And right here we have the actual product. So I'll actually open it up and actually set it up to show you guys how to set it up. So I just want to take out one of the light bulb right here and actually install it. Alright, so once you guys got it in, you guys can pull this part right here. Alright, so it turns on. And see, once we actually plug it in, it actually blinks this light right here. So that means it's actually ready to pair. So we're going to connect this onto the app. Alright, so now we're searching for the device right here, if I can see. So it might take a few minutes for it to find the actual device. Alright, so you see they actually found the device. So we try to use it now, you definitely can, if you guys can see. So for this light bulb right here, they definitely have the option for you guys to increase or lower the brightness on here. So I lower it. So you see when we actually lower the brightness, it definitely does work. If you guys want to increase the brightness, that works as well. And for the smart light bulb that we have right here, you can change the color on here as well. So we click on color right here. You guys can see the color change right there. So I want to change it to blue. There's blue. Here's green. Here's yellow, pink, and the list goes on. And for this one, you have to also adjust like the brightness level on here as well. So we bring it down. If we bring it up, and it also has different scenes on here as well. So here's one of the scenes. Here's another scene. Here's another scene. And then here's another scene. So there's plenty of scenes on here for you guys to choose. And they also have a music option. So once you guys turn it on, once you guys play music and everything, it actually follows the beat of the music. If you see right now, it's actually working because it's following my voice. But I actually play a song on here. Let me show you what happens. Alright, so you definitely see that the music sync option definitely does work on here. So you definitely have those options available. And right here, you can see they have a countdown option. And so the countdown option right here is so that way you guys can set a timer of how long you guys want to keep it on before it actually turns off by itself. And they also have a schedule option as well. So you guys click on that button right here. You guys can set a different timer on here. So whenever you guys want to turn it on or turn it off, you can definitely do that on here as well. And then obviously, if you guys want to turn off or on the light, you can definitely press the button right here. So that turns it off. And that turns it on. And obviously, if you guys want to connect it onto Alexa or Google Assistant, you can definitely do that as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. If you can see, the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It's actually really easy and really fast. I definitely love how they provide you guys all these different options on here. So if you guys want to change the different color, the different brightness, the different scenes, the music sync option, you definitely can do all of that on here. You can definitely do all of that on here, which is pretty nice. So now you guys all could test our product and definitely see it actually does work and actually quite well. Super easy to install and super easy to set everything up. And then once you guys set it up, you guys can see it actually works quite well. if you guys connect it onto the app, you can basically adjust all the different color options on here. You can adjust like the brightness level on here. You have a timer setting option, and you have so many other options on here available as well. But now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys want everything that's included in the actual product like I mentioned earlier, such as the voice control, the app control, the music sync option, and also like the schedule option and etc. If you guys want all of that, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.